The lowest amount of sodium that I could find at my store for Italian sausage was 620 for 4 ounces. Okay, now we just get to make our own. To buy our ground pork, it has 65 milligrams of sodium for 4 ounces. But we have to watch because the ground pork at my grocery store is right here. And it says pure ground pork. Flip it over, 65 milligrams for 4 ounces. Right next to it is ground pork, and it's got this little banner that says Southern on it. Flip that one over, and it's got 550 for 4 ounces. That's why we got to watch our labels. To make our sausage, we have 1 pound, minus a patty or 2 now, of fresh ground sausage. In a bowl, I put 1/4 cup of bottled water because it has no sodium. 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves. 2 teaspoons of basil. 2 cloves of minced garlic. Oh, and I used to use, my old recipe had red pepper flakes in it, and I would put 1.5 teaspoons in it. Oh, now we're doing this sodium thing, and that's 120 milligrams of sodium. Oh, I've switched to Mrs. Dash extra spicy, and I put 2.5 teaspoons in. Parsley has 1 tablespoon and 2 teaspoons of thyme. Then we need 1.5 teaspoons of fennel. It needs to be crushed. I have a mortar and pestle, and I've crushed it in here. I've also taken it and put it in a little bag that's heavy and hit it with my meat mallet or my rolling pin. We just want to break it up so that the spices come out nice. All of these items mix up in a bowl that's big enough to put your pork in it and knead it. The reason I put all of this in the liquid first and then add the pork and knead it, if I don't put the water in it, it takes a long time to knead it to get those spices in there. But when they're in with the water, then you put them in there, it's a whole lot easier. I make my sausage the day before I'm going to use it because I want all those wonderful flavors to mingle in there. When you get it finished to this point, if you just rip off like a little quarter size and fry it, taste it, then if you want more garlic, you've got it. If you want more of anything, you've got it. You can put it in and make it just exactly the way you want it. I'll be freezing this today. There's no salt in here for preservative, so I will freeze this in packages that works for us.